Hello everybody and welcome back to another C++ programming exercise, and in today's video we're going to be going over programming exercise number 14. Now programming exercise number 14 says, write a program that prompts the user to enter 15 and stores the numbers in the array. The program then determines and outputs which numbers in the array are some of two other array elements. If an array element is the sum of two other array elements, then for this array element, the program should output all such pairs. Now, those 50 elements that we are going to be outputting are going to be these ones right there, right here, at the top. Okay, so let's get to it. Now, this is going to be a relatively short program, but it may take but some people may have a little bit of trouble understanding it. So first we need to write in constant int list size, which is equal to 50, and now int main, and then we're going to have int list 50. Now we're going to see out enter list underscore size integers. So right now we're just taking as input those 50 integers. So now we're going to write for int I is equal to 0. Now in this program, by the way, we're not going to have any purpose of actually, writing any sort of functions, because it's too short for it to even make use of one function individually. So you might as well just have it inside of this one, inside of the main function, in order to save space. So this is just taking as input our array. Very self-explanatory, and we've done it a bunch of times, so you probably shouldn't have any trouble understanding it. Anyways, now that we're done with that, we can now go to for int I is equal to 0, I is less than list size, I plus plus, cout list I, which is equal to list I is the sum of for int j is equal to 0, j, which is less than list size, j plus plus, and now for int k, which is equal to j plus 1, k is less than list size, and k plus plus, and if list I is equal to list j plus list k, and you can see out list comma and list. Okay. Now we can see out and go. Now we can see out. Oh wait, oops, forgot to enter. See out. And then you do this, or you could just do that. Whichever works good for you. I'm gonna do that because it's placed in the center. Okay. Let's see. Is there anything else that we need to? No, it doesn't seem like it. So I guess we'll just run this program. Let's see. Okay, so I just realized that I need to do this. Let's pull up this log and see where the other errors are, and 28. It's another error on line 28. Let's see. Where is that? Actually, I think that's it. Oh no, oops. And there we go. That should be the end of the program. Okay. Let's just get this in frame so I can show it to you guys. Let's see, that is right there. Enter 50 integers. Let's just copy paste what's right here. And now you can see that there's a long list of things that are the sum of each other's. Now I think it's pretty obvious that I may have made a little mistake somewhere when we are entering our, outputting what the user sees. So let me change that. Let's see what we did wrong. Okay. This seems to be right. That seems to be right. Doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with my actual code, but I think I should make this a little bit longer. Okay, let's see how much is it being this long good enough? Let's try running it again. No, wait, it can't be that. Hold on. List size, I++, hold on.
Wait a second. I think this needs to be shorter, actually. Hold on. Because I think I made it too long, and since it was too long, it went on to the next line. And then, since it went on to the next line, it messed up the whole flow. Let's make that a little less long. Hopefully that will work. Oh, no. Don't do that. Oh, wait a second. I think there's supposed to be an endl at the end right there. right? Oh my, okay, there we go, guys. That is what was wrong. We actually did not have an end out. That was a simple typo that actually pretty much completely ruined the entire look of our program. But we were able to fix it, and that is great. So now you guys may be a little bit confused as to why we have so many. Well, this data set is actually this data set was actually created so that it will work this way. It's pretty much actually a random data set, but the way that this program works is that it goes through. You may see repeats, like right here. It repeats twice. And the reason for that is because it repeats, as in, sometimes it's just doing as much as it can so that it could reach the end, or it could get the sum of all of these numbers. So pretty much, it actually tries to find the sum of every single one of these numbers. So there's going to be 50 of these. There. So it's a little bit of a complicated program, to be honest, but it really doesn't take that much effort to understand. But I hope you all had a good time doing this programming exercise along with me. It was a little bit more on the short-sighted one, but still pretty complicated. But I just hope you guys had a good time and fun time coding with me. I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.